morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I hope you all are doing great. This is your teacher, Miss Sonam Rana. Today, I am going to tell you about the keyboard, different keys on the keyboard, and how to use a keyboard. I hope you all are excited to know about the keyboard. So, students, this is a keyboard. What is this? It is a keyboard. Look here, there are so many keys on the keyboard. You can see there are so many keys on the keyboard. Do you know how many numbers of keys are there on keyboard? Anyone know? There are 101 keys on the keyboard. The total number of keys on the keyboard is 101. 101. So today we are going to learn about different keys on the keyboard and how to use them. Okay? So basically we are going to learn from the chapter 4 of class 2nd, Introduction to Keyboard. So keyboard, it is an input device which is used to type letters, numbers or anything on the monitor or the screen of the computer. So with the help of keyboard, we can write anything on the monitor. It is like a typewriter. Keyboard is like a typewriter. There are different type of keys on the keyboard through which we can write letters, alphabets, numbers, and we can also put punctuation marks with the help of the keyboard. Okay. So basically, the first key we are going to learn about is alphabet keys. We are going to learn about alphabet keys. So you can see there are alphabets on the keyboard. Look here. You can see there are alphabets on the keyboard. These are the alphabet keys. These are the alphabet keys. So what is the use of alphabet keys? We use alphabet keys to type alphabets on the monitor. We use alphabet keys to type alphabets on the monitor. So they are from A to Z. You all know there are 26 alphabets. So they are from A to Z. Next key we are going to learn about is number keys. Next keys we are going to learn about is number keys. You can see on the keyboard that there are 0 to 9 numbers on the keyboard. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And you can also observe that there is another set of numeric keys on the keyboard. So there are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. There are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. Next, we are going to learn about the cursor control keys. So the cursor control keys are used to move the cursor on the monitor. You can see there are 4 cursor control on the keyboard. Up, down, left and right. If you want to move anything up, you have to press this key. If you want to move anything down, you have to press this key. If you want to move left, press this, and for the right, you have to press this key. Okay? Our next key is backspace key. Suppose if you are writing anything on the computer and you make mistake, so to erase that mistake, you will use backspace key. To erase anything on the monitor screen, you will use backspace key. Okay? So our next key is space bar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. The space bar key is longest key on the keyboard. You write on your notebook, right? You provide space between the 2 words. So similarly on the monitor screen, you will also provide space with the help of space bar key. With the help of space bar key. Next key is delete key. You can see on the keyboard, delete key. So as you delete the unwanted pictures, videos or any document you don't want in your phone, you delete them. Okay? Similarly, we delete anything, any folder, photo or a video you don't want on your monitor, you will delete with the help of delete key. You will press delete and the option will be appear on the screen, yes or no. You will press on yes and the thing will be deleted. So our next key is enter key. Suppose you want to move on the next line. You want to move on the next line. So with the help of enter key, you will move on the next line. With the help of enter key, you will move on the next line. So the most important key on the keyboard is, you are not wondering that how will we write the small letters and the capital letter on the monitor. How will you write? With the help of caps lock key. With the help of caps lock key. If you press this caps lock key, the letter will be appear in capital. Similarly, if you want to write the next letter in small, then you will press caps lock key, so the letter will appear in small. Okay? It is the use of caps lock key. Students, our next key is shift key. There are two sets of shift key on the keyboard. You can see here, the one is here and the other one is here. Okay, it is used in combination. That means if you press shift key along with a letter or alphabet, it will appear in capital. It will appear in capital. So students, our next key is tab key. You can see our next key is tab key. It is on the left side of the keyboard. It is on the left side of the keyboard. So tab key is present on the left side. It moves the cursor towards the right. It moves the cursor towards the right. So our last key is ESC keys. Our last key is ESC key. The key is present at the left side of the keyboard. You can see at the left corner of the keyboard, the ESC key is present. It is used to cancel the running program on the monitor. Students, I'm going to show you practically how to use the different keys on the keyboard. Look here. So I'm going to start with alphabet keys. Suppose these are the alphabet keys. If I will press A, it is appearing. You can see the alphabet is in small. The alphabet is small. So with the help of caps lock key, the alphabet will appear. So I am pressing caps lock key. The next alphabet will appear in capital. You can see the next alphabet is here, capital. With the help of caps lock key, I can change an alphabet to small and capital. I can change an alphabet to small and capital. So the next key I'm going to show you is backspace key. Suppose I want to erase this all. So with the help of backspace key, I'm pressing the backspace key. Look at the screen. The letters are deleting or erasing. The letters are erasing. Okay. Our next key is number keys. There are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. I'm using them. I'm writing 23. With another set, I'm writing 45. You can see with the help of number keys, we can write numbers on the screen. You can write number. Suppose I want to provide space between these numbers or between the another word. So I will press space bar key. You can see on the screen the cursor is moving as I am providing space between them. You can see there is space between the numbers and the alphabets with the help of space bar key. Okay. Our next key is cursor key. Our next key is cursor key. Look at the keyboard. I am pressing the right cursor key. It is moving towards the right. If I am pressing the left, it is moving. You can see on the screen, it is moving towards the left. Suppose I want to go down. So for that, I will press this key. It is moving down. Okay. Look here. It is moving up. It is moving down. Okay. You can see on the screen. With the help of cursor key, we can move the cursor on the monitor. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about the use of enter key. You can see on the keyboard, I'm pressing enter key. And look on the screen, it is moving towards the next line. So if you want to move towards the next line, you have to press the enter key. You have to press the enter key. Now I'm going to show you the use of delete key. I'm going to show you the use of delete key. You can see there is a picture on the screen. I don't want this picture. So for that, I'm using delete key. So the option will be appear on the screen. You can see there are two things, yes and no. I'm clicking on the yes. So the picture will be deleted. The picture will be deleted. So our next key I'm going to use is shift key. You can see shift key here. It is used with the combinations. Suppose I'm pressing shift key along with A. It will appear small. Similarly, I'm pressing shift key along with S. It will appear in capital. So it is used in combination. Shift key is used in combination. So our next key is tab key. Our next key is tab key. You can see it is on the left side of the keyboard. I'm pressing tab key and the cursor will move towards the right. You can see it is moving towards the right. Suppose I want to cancel this program. So with the help of ESC key, the keyboard, the program will be cancelled. Of ESC key, I can cancel this program. You can see there are options. I'm saving this and the program will be cancelled. Okay. So students, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In today's video, we have learned about the uses of keyboard and different keys on the keyboard. Thank you.